I still feel you cannot find love on any app. It can happen naturally.
फिल्म में
So,
एक song आता है।
हाँ आता है, yes आता है.
मुझे भी इधर
अभी तक नहीं आया ना, मेरे को भी नहीं आया अभी तक. So many crushes. We all have crushes. Don't you have any crush on anyone?
Now I have.
Ah.
फिल्म में
Oh.
थोड़ा sound आ रहा है।
आ रहा है ना sound? Good. But here the different thing, Ragi Mudde. I loved it.
One vibe is same connecting. I am also Mudde lover. ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಬೀಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾನು ಯಶ್ವಂತ್. ಸರಳ ಸುಬ್ಬರಾವ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅಜಯ್ ರಾವ್ ಅವರು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಜಯ್ ರಾವ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಮಿಶಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನನಗೆ ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ ಮಿಶಾ ಅವ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಿಶಾ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ.
ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ಬಟ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕನ್ನಡತಿ. ಎಸ್, ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಟ್ರೋ ಲುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದೊಂದು ನೋಡಿದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್.
Thank you so much. I also was very excited because I was getting a role where I am going back in the time. So it's like time travel for me. I was not even born by then, but then getting to know a different culture, a different clothing style, and different food things and everything. So it was very amazing. It was very nice. Great experience.
ಸೊ ಫುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಇವರ್ ಫುಡಿ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ.
Sarala is foodie. Misha is not a foodie. I that was a task for me to eat in the movie. Every other scene, I am eating because I am Sarala is not me, not Misha. Sarala is pregnant in the movie, so I don't know what is this obsession with eating, but she's always eating. She's a foodie even when she's not pregnant. Then also she's eating. After being pregnant, she's eating. She's just eating. So that was a task for Misha to eat a lot of things. Yeah.
After that, your weight is gained.
Yeah, I gained 2 kgs or something while doing the movie. Only?
Only 2
For me, it's too much. But I've gained. Because before lunch, I am doing my lunch. And then there's lunch break right after I am doing my lunch in movie. So I'm doing lunch in my caravan also. And then after coming back also, there is a scene where I'm eating. That was crazy. I'm like, okay, let's just finish eating scenes now and can we just move to another scenes? Yeah.
ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ತೆಲುಗು ಮೂವಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
Yes, there I was just eating like dosa and idli and stuff like that, lemon rice also. But here the different thing, what I tried while shooting was ragi mudde. I loved it. I had not tried it before in Hyderabad also ever, but here I tried ragi mudde and they say it's very healthy also. So now it has become kind of constant. Like I usually come whenever I come here, I try that if I should at least have ragi mudde and yeah, kesari bhat also. that has yeah, the kesari.
ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್.
Yes, I made it. So Sarala can't cook while she cooks for her husband. That this is what she could make, white kesari bath. Yeah, and she's trying to convince him this is kesari bath.
That's a
You are
white
not.
bath.
That's a white bath. Yeah, so I love kesari bath.
ಯು
Also.
ವೇಟ್ ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದ.
Yeah, I eat that.
Cheap.
No, I mix it with some curry and then I don't chew it. I gulp it.
Wow.
You have to chew it.
No.
Yeah, exactly. This is how they taught me. Like this is how we supposed to eat this. You break this, you take a small bite of it, and you gulp it. Yeah, that's how I eat. With some ghee, desi ghee on top of that. Yeah.
ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್, ನೋ
Yeah,
ಫ್ಯಾಟ್,
no fat.
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ.
Yes.
ಯಾ.
Good comes.
ಎಸ್, ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸೊ ನಡೀತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅಜಯ್ ರಾವ್ ಜೊತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಅಜಯ್ ರಾವ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಬ್ಬರ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಾಚ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಯು ಬೋತ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್.
Thank you. So yeah, it was like the chemistry kind of clicked because it when you get support from both the ends, no, and our team is also very supportive, and when you become friends, and then the other person is very supportive, and you being new in the industry, you can only get help from the directly contacted people. Like if I say I'm acting with Ajay sir, then he's in direct contact with me right now in a scene. So if I'm forgetting anything, instead of going to any AD, I will ask him also, oh, help me with this, please, I'm forgetting my lines and this. So with this, he's very supportive. Even if I'm asking hundreds of times, he will help me. So when you when you start getting help from your co-actor, no, start behaving like friends, and then it's just very smooth. Everything went very smooth. The chemistry you must be seeing on screen. It's just because when you have such a nice bond with the other person, there's no complications then. And then after all, you all are actors, and you have to act whatever is given. So yeah, he's being very supportive and very like what do you call uh, you know actually was like a teacher to me there. Manju sir, our director, and Ajay sir. They taught me from A, B, C to Z. Yeah.
This is a retro story, and I saw one line in trailer. That was in an era, love was divine. In that time, love was a divine. But in this era, what kind of love you listening, looking?
In this era also, I am an old school person. I only believe in purity. I only believe in that, pure love, where you're only falling for that one person, not this girl, if not this girl, then that girl. And same with me, not if not this boy, that boy. No, for me, love is very genuine, very pure, and it comes from heart. It's not like, there are n number of dating sites now, and I take that pride that I have not used any of that, because I still feel you cannot find love on any app. It can happen naturally, and if somebody has to come into your life, no, they will come. God will send them by any means, and in that era, no, there was no.
How
Uh,
you can identify that?
you will identify.
How?
You will identify that. I'm such a filmy person. I've grown up watching so much of romantic films. It's just like when somebody like that will come, no, that tung 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 will happen, and then you will know, oh, this is the person. And that didn't happen with me yet.
दिल में एक
So,
sound आता है.
हाँ आता है, yes आता है.
मुझे भी इधर अभी
अभी तक नहीं आया ना, मेरे को भी नहीं आया अभी तक. But आएगा.
कब आएगा?
So also these days, love is not that type of love where you're just doing everything for that one person. Either though, if a small thing happen and like, oh, break up, but that time no breakups. One person, you're just loving that person forever.
So, is any there crush from childhood? Crush?
So many crushes. We all have crushes. Don't you have any crush on anyone?
Now I have.
Ah.
दिल में
Oh.
थोड़ा sound आ रहा है अभी तो.
आ रहा है ना sound? Good.
तो अभी क्या करूँ मैं?
I can't help, but मेरे नहीं आ रहा है sound.
So, full of pollution, sound pollution,
Oh.
voice pollution. So, that's
Because
why
of that-
I didn't hear that.
Okay, I will try. I will think about this and I will see.
ಕೇಳಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗಾಯ್ತು.
Good,
Just tell
good.
me about your crush.
Um, so when I was very young, I mean, I was in school. My first crush was ever this guy Ranbir Kapoor. He's my forever crush. Yeah, and then there are so many.
In South?
In South, I mean, not crush, but I really admire, and I will always admire Rajkumar sir, Puneet Rajkumar sir, who is not here, but he was I watched so many movies of his, but it's very uncertain. He's not with us, but I really admire his work. Yeah.
Which is your favorite?
I can't name, like I have watched them in dubbed version, so the names were always different, not the exact one in Telugu. Kannada version is different. So yeah, but I have watched a couple of films, and after coming here, when I heard a lot about his works, how he helps others and stuff like that, there are very less people who are actually genuine, and I believe in purity of souls. And then I believe, okay, he was such a pure soul. I feel that why didn't I meet him when he was there? Yeah, because I came very late in the industry. Yeah.
ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ವುಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ, ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. In Canada, so there is a certain different places is there and good foods is there. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಈ ಫುಡ್ನ ನಾನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು?
So first thing, I'm not a foodie, so I will not be very excited for the food. But yeah, yesterday only I went to a place that Tom's Bakery. It's famous for that egg puff because Virat Kohli liked that egg puff, so they made me try that egg puff, and it was really amazing. Like, but that is not Karnataka food. But if I get more time and if I stay more in Bangalore and other places in Karnataka, I will definitely go and try mudde from everywhere. That
Now
mudde.
you are a muddal lover.
I am a mudde because it's good for health. Then why not? If anything which is healthy for our body, then I become a foodie for that particular thing. Yeah.
One vibe is same connecting. I am also muddal lover. ಹೆಂಗೆ?
Mudde lovers, comment whoever is a mudde lover.
ನೀವು ಮುದ್ದೆನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಮುದ್ದೆ
Then
ಪ್ರಿಯರ್
we'll go and
ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
explore different mudde places in Bangalore. Yeah.
With different of sambar.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, veg sambar is good or non-veg
I
sambar?
don't. I have. I'm not only eating veg now. I'm not
Only
a non.
veg.
Yeah.
No, mutton, chicken. Why?
Just like that.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ಇನ್ ಮಟನ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್.
Oh yeah.
That
There
was
is non-veg sambars also, like mutton sambar and chicken sambar. I thought sambar is only veg. I didn't know. This is new concept for me. Listening this from
You
the.
don't know mutton curry?
I know
You
mutton
the
curry, but sambar is supposed to be with veggies only,
You
no?
try mudde that in sambar. That was.
I have tried mudde in sambar only, but you are saying
mutton sambar.
no, mutton and chicken I have not tried.
You try non-veg. You
I
ate
don't
two
eat
mudde.
I don't eat non-veg.
Okay. So which place you visit in Bangalore? Your favorite place which was?
We have shot everything in Mysore, the entire movie. So I didn't get chance to explore Bangalore at all. Now I've come for promotions. Now I'm seeing little of Bangalore. If I get more work here, I'll be living in Bangalore. Who knows?
Please come.
Yeah.
Okay. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ?
With everyone.
Tell
You name. Why not Yash, Kicha sir, and of course multiple times with Ajay sir because it's very comfortable to work with him. And who else? Dhruva Sarja sir, and who else? You tell me who you want me to work with. You tell me.
There is a ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೀರೋಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಾವು ಅವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋಣ. ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್?
Definitely we'll meet for promotions.
Yes sir. And you are a good dancer
Yes.
and good singer also.
No, I'm not a good singer. No, I'm not a good singer. I'm not a singer. Also, my throat is gone. Yeah, I'm not a singer. When was I singing? You want me to sing a song? No, not happening. Maybe another promotion. Not now.
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇವತ್ತು ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫ್ಯೂ ಡೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಫಾಲೋವರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನ್ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ?
So, see, Valentine's is coming. You must be having girlfriends or boyfriends. You want to see the difference between this love and that type of love? That was pure. If you really want to see what love is and how love can be, go in theaters, watch our movie, and then you will know how pure love was in that era. Because this era, I don't know if you all know what actual love is, but just take your girlfriend and boyfriend to the theaters and watch this film for them and know the difference.
For singles?
That's it. For singles,
Like
you
me?
go, you will find a loved one. You will know whom you should go and love. Yeah, you will know. So go, singles also, please go and watch the movie because it's such a lovely chemistry. It's such a lovely story. Just go and watch it. You will definitely cry at least once. Okay, if not more, at least once. Because I have cried while doing a scene. So if I have cried without glycerin in the movie, then people, if they connect to the story, they will definitely gonna cry. And they're gonna love Sarala in the movie. Yes, I bet money on that they will definitely love Sarala. Because Sarala is so full of life. And I personally want to behave like Sarala. I personally want to be like Sarala. I'm not Sarala at all. Sarala is living in another delusional world.
ಮಿಶಾ
Misha is sometimes subtle, sometimes very kiddish, sometimes very angry young man type of person. But Sarala is just a different personality ever existed on this planet. So I want to be like Sarala. That's my personal motto now.
ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಲವ್ ಸರಳ ಐ ಲವ್ ಮಿಶಾ
No, no. They also love Misha, but they love Sarala also.
and your name Misha Nanak is good and unique. So what is the
You know, I'll tell you, Misha, the meaning of Misha is full of life.
full of life?
Full of life. Sometimes I'm in stress, sometimes I take that pressure and all. But Sarala means simple. And Sarala, the character Sarala is full of life. So I want to adapt that thing from Sarala. That I want to be like full of life. I don't want to have any kind of tension and stress and anything. Okay, we'll see. Okay, we'll do. Sarala is like that. She doesn't care. She doesn't care.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ.
ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸರಳಾ ಸುಬ್ಬಾರಾವ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸರಳಾ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಿಶಾ? ಗುಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.